create a new group in your Outlook application. So hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how you can quickly and easily create a new group in your Outlook. So the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto this people tab over the left hand side, and once you are inside this particular page you can see this option of go to groups. So simply click onto this go to groups button and it will lead you to a new page. Now in this particular page you can see this option or a button that says new group. So simply click onto this new group option and it will give you a prompt or a dialog box to create a new group. So from this particular field you can specify the group name. So for example, let's name it group 1, and then using this field you can describe your group if you want. So after you are done with this, you need to click onto this create button at the bottom, and it will process it for a while and your new group will be successfully created in Outlook. And once the new group has been created, it will ask you a prompt if you want to add members. If you want to add members, you can simply search their name or email address and add them. If you don't want to add them right now, you can simply click onto this not now button, and now you can see that the group has been successfully created for you. And from here you can access it and perform various different operations into this particular Outlook group. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial on how to create groups in Outlook. So if you watched the video and enjoyed it, do make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.